Night for me, 1942 Chevrolet pickup. Oh, this is the first one I've seen with a brake modernization in it. Here we have dual circuit master cylinder mounted on the firewall with a power brake booster and a Chevy 350. So, for what it's worth, this is an actual daily driver. This is an actual daily driver. Functional brakes, modern engine, has an alternator in it, has a radiator. It must not be a New York registered car because it doesn't say the year. But I'm saying 1942. 6 lug rear end, so I'm assuming this lug end. This could be out of a Tahoe, maybe. LEDs on the instrument cluster for your turn signals. The other side isn't open, but I want to bet. Can't see it. Is the other side open? Yeah. Chevrolet division. Yeah, no, I thought this would have air conditioning. No air conditioning. But probably the heater core is flooring the floor. That's wet dairy. I don't know, man. I don't believe they're from a Tahoe. I believe these are from a 70s era, though. One ton. This is, what's that over there? That looks like a Dodge Polara over there. So, this is nice. There's 2 taillights. Oh, Dodge Polara over there. Got a Volvo. Got Volvo 244 or something over there. And, there's some more back there. I'll get those tomorrow though, because I'm tired. This is it for me. Oof. And this is only Thursday. The show isn't actually till Saturday. So